weather's really nice today.
Oh yes, it is. You're right.
Hi, Jessica. How are you? Yes, I'm at the park. 5 minutes? Okay. Okay. See you then. Bye.
Excuse me, how are you calling? You didn't even have a phone.
Come on, you don't know about the latest British technology?
No.
It's 2020, darling.
Oh, that's nice. So, do you want to take a picture with me?
Okay, why not?
Okay.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm taking a selfie.
That's not a phone, that's just your hand.
Let's take a picture. Just smile. You didn't know? This is Saudi latest technology. Vision 2030, ya habibi.
Whatever.
Hey, dude, it's a money. Come on.
That's disgusting.
مجنون انت ولا ايش؟
That's gross. That's disgusting.
Nothing funny. It's a money, dude. You're eating the money.
You don't know latest Pakistani technology?
No?
I send my money to my family to Peshawar.
Just like that?
Yes, this is 2050, ya habibi.
Ew! Oh my God!
Don't worry. This is confirmation. My family received money.
मिस्टर खान मेरा नाम है मिस्टर